case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Louisiana Supreme Court upheld a $33 million award against Shell Oil Company and Rosewood Resources in the 2003 case of Corbello v. Iowa Production. The case focused on negligent operations by the oil companies on private landowners' property for over 70 years, with Shell breaching the 1961 contractual lease, resulting in contamination of groundwater and damage to property. After attempts to resolve the issue failed, the court ruled that private landowners can file a lawsuit for damages without needing to seek help from regulatory agencies. The lease was terminated by the plaintiffs in 1991, and they were entitled to profits earned by Shell during the time they remained on the property in bad faith. The court held that Shell had breached the lease by disposing saltwater from other locations, and remanded the case to determine the proper measure of damages and prejudgment interest. The court affirmed increasing attorney fees to $4 million, but reversed reinstating exemplary damages and the breach of contract award for saltwater disposal. The justices had varying levels of agreement and disagreement with the decision, but the case has established that private landowners can seek compensation from oil companies for oilfield waste sites and contamination of groundwater.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.